Hello, in this video, we will show how to convert year, month, and day information into a date object in R. So we will go to RStudio, and you can also find this file from this website's download menu. So we go to RStudio, and this is the file we will work with, and find the section for converting year, month, and day into a date. So if we want to do these kinds of tasks, then, for example, we have year, month, and day, 3 scalar. Then, say we want to combine this information into a date object. So you will use the function called as.Date. Then inside, we'll use another function called ISOdate. So ISOdate. Because ISOdate will return a special object called POSIXCT object. And usually we will get a date object because date object is suitable for example, calculation the reduction between two dates or something like so. So usually we will get the date object. So you have to use as.Date wrap this function. So as.Date, ISOdate, year, month, day will return this date object. So year, month, day, this default sequence in R. And ISOdate will check if it is a real date. For example, I write 2013 and 2nd month and 29th for the day. Then you will get an A because this year is not a leap year, so you have no 29th day in February, right? So this function will check the eligibility of this date information. And for ISOdate, you can also work with a vector. For example, we have 5 years and 5 months and 5 days. Then we can work this one function. So the result is a vector with 5 date, but this is not as.Date formula. So we will use as.Date, ISOdate, then years, months, and days. So the result is quite clear. It's a vector combining 5 date object. And you can also work, for example, we will have only 1 month, but for the vector with days and years, so we will only use the January for years and days. So just as.Date, ISOdate, years and 1 days. So now the months for these 5 dates are all for January. Thanks for watching.